Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare a simple sweet which all of us in India are familiar with, and that is groundnut chikki or groundnut balls or urundai, whatever you call it. One of my subscribers had requested me to give her a sweet, a vegan sweet, because her child is lactose intolerant. So without using milk or milk products, we are going to make this sweet. For this, I have taken 1 cup of groundnuts or peanuts and 3/4 cup of jaggery. So first, let us take the groundnuts in a heavy pan and we have to roast it so that we are able to take out the peel. Now it is nearly done. Spread it out on a plate and allow it to cool. See, you should be able to peel it like this. It's quite hot now. Just allow it to cool, and with your hands you will easily be able to remove the peel. See, now it has cooled. You just do like this. You can easily remove the peel, and then we can separate the skin. See, if you do this, all the peel will come away and you can take out the seeds separately. Now we have peeled these roasted groundnuts, and just if you press it, it will break into two, and break them into two like this and keep. Next, take the jaggery in a vessel and about half a cup of water to it and allow it to dissolve. We are doing this because we want to remove any impurities from the jaggery. So always whenever you are making any preparation with the jaggery, first dissolve it, filter it, and then use the syrup. So let us wait till the jaggery gets dissolved. See, the jaggery is dissolved, it's boiling now. Remove it and filter it onto your kadai. See, some impurities are there. We have filtered it and taken it out. Now, put the syrup back onto the stove and boil the syrup till you reach a stage where you can make a nice ball out of the syrup. So you just continue stirring the syrup till it becomes quite thick. To test the syrup, take some water in a bowl, add a drop of it, and then you should be able to collect it together like a ball like this. See, you can roll it between your fingers like a ball. This is the correct stage. Now add in these groundnuts and mix it all together very well. Now here I have taken a board which I have greased, and just place it on this board. I'll keep a little bit here to show it how to make it into balls also. Then this rolling pin also I have greased it, and slowly with this rolling pin just roll it into a rectangle shape. See, for making into balls, just portion it out. See, when you do that, can you see the thread like thing coming from the syrup? That means the syrup is of the correct stage. Portion it out because it's too hot to handle, and then you can roll it into balls by smearing some ghee or oil. If you don't want to use ghee for that also, you can even use rice flour, and then make it into balls like this. When it is warm, you grease a spatula like this, or you can use a knife also, and make markings to cut it into the desired size. See, then you can slowly, gently remove the pieces out like this. So our tasty chikki or urundai is ready, and you can serve it to even people who are vegan, so that it has no dairy product at all in it. Do try it out, enjoy the chikkis and share your experience with me on Geeta's Kitchen. Please do tap the bell icon for notifications about my latest videos. Thank you.